So we'll make this quick because it is very cold out here. I think currently it's probably 30 degrees, so you get to experience what this paint does in the cold today, so it's pretty cool. You're going to see today that we are going to go from green paint and we're going to switch over to white paint. The cool part about this, so our DURATRACK paint is a two-part. It's like a waterborne epoxy hybrid. So we can flush out the whole system, this epoxy hybrid, we can flush out the entire system with water, and then we can put our waterborne paint in and just spray like normal. It's not going to mess up the paint, nothing like that. So that's the beauty of this DURATRACK system, is it's so versatile with other paints. When mixing part A and part B, it's good to mix it for approximately 1 minute. And the beauty of this system is you have about 8 to 10 hours of working time. So you don't have to worry about it setting up in your lines in the middle of your workday. So this is where we're installing the spray guns. As you can see, we're using a gray tip right now. It's a 635 tip. So I actually want to talk to you for a second about the different spray tips that we use. So as you can see here, we have 3 different spray tips. And the yellow spray tips are mainly used for parking lots. They have a really sharp edge. The black spray tip is thicker in the center, but also it tapers out onto the edges, so it's really nice for overlap. And the same thing for gray. The gray spray tips are more for a heavy-duty paint. They're also great for higher pressures. Ideally, when dropping aggregate onto the paint, it's recommended that you have pressurized bead tanks on your machine. If you don't have that capability, then you'll have to throw the aggregate down by hand. If you look closely, you can see the fine aggregate perfectly embedded into the paint. The beauty of this system is the ability to switch from waterborne to the epoxy hybrid and vice versa. In this case, we sprayed the DURATRACK two-part system first, and now we're switching to our normal waterborne road paint. We switched out the gray tip for a yellow tip because we're going to outline the green bike lane and spray a few parking stalls. Like I said before, the yellow tip is great for sharp edges, which is a nice finishing touch to this project.